First, guide the cable through the correct entry point and bring it to the exit section. Then install the neutering suitable for the cable diameter. After the cable is positioned, close the upper cover. At this stage, make sure the O-rings are fully seated in their grooves. Proper sealing is very important to prevent air leakage. Then tighten the cover bolts using a 19mm wrench. Next, adjust the distance between the belts according to the cable diameter. The belts should be positioned close to the cable without excessive pressure. If the cable is compressed too much, it will not move properly. After these adjustments, the machine is ready for the next checks. Hydraulic oil filling is done from this section. The oil level can be checked from the side indicator. Always make sure the hydraulic oil level remains within the recommended range. The system requires ISO VG46 hydraulic oil. This section is the fuel tank. The engine operates only with gasoline. The engine oil level is checked from this point. If needed, oil can also be added here. For engine oil change intervals, refer to the maintenance section in the user manual. 15W40 engine oil can be used. This section is the cooling system of the machine. It must always remain open to provide proper airflow. Do not block the front area with tools or materials. Before starting the operation, reset the tachometer from this section. Once the cable starts moving, the tachometer will begin measuring automatically. The traveled cable distance can be monitored from this display. The tachometer height can also be adjusted according to the cable diameter. The system is designed with an adjustable up and down movement. Before starting the machine, switch the start key to the on position. Then open the fuel valve. If the weather conditions are cold and the temperature is below approximately 10 degrees Celsius, the choke should be activated. The throttle lever can remain at approximately 75% during startup. Then start the engine. Allow the engine to run for a few minutes until it becomes stable. After that, close the choke and monitor the engine sound carefully. If the engine runs smoothly, the system is ready for operation. Connect the air supply from this section and begin supplying air to the system. The air pressure can be monitored from the pressure gauge. Machine movement is controlled using this lever. System pressure can also be monitored instantly from the indicator. Cable pushing speed is adjusted with the control valve. Once the correct speed is reached, it can be fixed using the locking mechanism. The middle position of the control lever is neutral. The forward position pushes the cable forward. The reverse position pulls the cable backward. After the operation is finished, switch the start key to the off position to stop the engine. Then close the fuel valve. To move the machine, lift the side handles. The wheels system allows easy transportation around the job site. System pressure must not exceed 100 bar. Maximum air pressure is limited to 16 bar. Pressure settings should always be adjusted according to the working conditions.